Hello, dear students. I'm Dr. Kapil Chaturvedi, Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. And today we will discuss our very first lecture on project management, which is our subject of sixth semester. The subject code is 604, and this one is elective subject. So today we will discuss uh, the fundamental concept of project management very few in very few time, and also we'll discuss the scheme and syllabus of that and related uh, course outcome and course objectives. So let's start, because before starting any subject we should know very well that what is the scheme of that subject, and what is the syllabus, what kind of content we will cover during that whole course. So we should know about that. So this is a scheme of your project management subject, where you can see that the subject code is 604. This is an open elective subject, and we have a choice of in open elective subject knowledge management, project management, and rural technology and community development. So our subject is we choose project management as the project management content is very important and very essential from your future's point of view, where you will work on the lab project. So that subject will help you to manage the all over the activity of the project related to the project. So the subject have the following marks distribution, where 70 marks is of end sem, 20 marks of mid sem. That may be the sum of the average of mid sem 1 and mid sem 2, and might be possible best of one. So you should ready to for both of the mid sem 1 and mid sem 2, and try to score better marks in both of the mid sems. And 10 marks for quiz and assignment, which I will assign you during the session. You will have to complete that assignment on time and also attempt a quiz. So this is the mark distribution. Total marks of that subject is 100. So this is the mark distribution, and subject is project management, and subject code is 604. Remember, the subject is elective subject. In this subject, in the syllabus of that subject divided in 3 units. As you can see that the subject's content is very small, and you think that subject it's a short content, and it will take the short time, but real thing is that actual thing is that that is the abstract of whole subject, and each and every topic have to discuss in we have to discuss each topic in detail. So the university distribute that the whole subject in 3 units. First one is the conventional software management, second one software management process, and third one is a software management discipline. So in conventional software management, we will discuss the evolution of software economics, along with uh, how to improve the software economics, along with reducing product size, software process, uh, team effectiveness, automation through software environment, and many more. And in the second unit, we will discuss the life cycle phases, uh, which you also discuss in the HDLC, but we'll discuss that in a different way. We will also discuss inception, elaboration, conception, construction, and training phase under the life cycle phases. We also discuss some important point like artifact and a pragmatic artifact, and we'll discuss workflow of the process, checkpoint. These are the terms which is very important uh, during the project development. You must know the meaning of checkpoint also. Software management discipline, in software management discipline unit, we will discuss the iterative process planning, project organizations and responsibilities, process automation, project control, and process instruction, and many more. So each and every topic is very important from the examination point of view, as well the real world software industries point of view. You must know the meaning of each and every term. Uh, University also gave with the syllabus some course outcome. There are two things. First one is the course objective, and the second is the course outcome. So course objective are the things which we have to keep in mind during the whole project completion. Where a syllabus is going on, we'll have to keep in mind what kind of objectives we have to cover during the syllabus, like understand the different activities, the software project development, that is planning, design, and management. So basically, the whole syllabus will be focused on the development process, planning, design, and management. And outcomes are the things which will be used to evaluate we cover all the things or not. So after completion of that course, if you have to evaluate yourself, then you can check that on that point, like either you understand or not the fundamental meaning of economics, and you reach the learning objective or not. You gain the knowledge about various artifact flow, workflows and checkpoints, etc. Also, development and understanding of project planning, organization responsibility, automation, and control of the process to achieve the desirable result. So, after completion of whole syllabus, you can evaluate yourself by on following points, on these four points. And formally, we design some course objective where we set the skill level also. Where in CO1, we'll cover following things, and in this CO1 course outcome one, you will we will focus on the remember thing. It means fundamental things of the project management. CO2, in CO2, we will cover these things, and we will learn how to apply these things in real world data sets or real world data, or, or real world activities. And course outcome 3 will cover these topics, and we try to analyze uh, our results, our data, by applying the things which we learn in previous steps, by previous topics. And course outcome 4, we will evaluate by making some of the case study on project, where we will apply most of the things from the previous COs in the evaluation phase. So these are the your outcomes. And the Bloom taxonomy are the standard terminology which is used to make the questions for your examinations and midterm examinations in the standard way, where we can actually evaluate by using the questions, either you learn properly or not. So we discuss in detail. So in the first unit of project management, we will cover introduction to project management. It means we will discuss the fundamental things, evolution of software economics and improving software economics. So we'll discuss what is the economic and how we'll improve that, and conventional software management, automation through software environment, and principles of modern software management. So we will cover these topics in the first unit. Basically, these are the broad areas of the first unit. In the second unit, we'll firstly we discuss the life cycle phases of the software development, and then we discuss the artifact of process. The artifact fundamentally is the document, so which we have to develop parallelly with the development process of the software. And model-based software architectures, workflow of the process, and checkpoints of the process will also be important point which we have to cover in second unit. And in the third unit, there we are giving 3 points. We point 3 points: uh, iterative process planning, project organization, and the responsibility and process automation. So these will be the major points which we will discuss in the whole syllabus. So this is our subject, project management. We will continue that lecture series. In the next lecture, we will discuss the first unit's fundamental, what is the moral of first unit, and also we will try to cover the one of the any one of the topic from the first unit. And basically, we'll discuss the fundamental concept of project management in the next lecture. Thank you.